So in today's video, we're gonna work on getting the Evo out of storage. Yeah, so it's time to get the Evo out. Kind of gotta do a lot of shuffling. I'm sure you guys have seen in the background a lot of chaos has ensued this winter. So the plan is we're gonna get all of Tony's engine stuff moved to different places, put the WRX on the dollies, get it pushed over here, get the wheel put back on that, put it on the dollies, and get it so it can drive out. Once the car's outside, we'll get the WRX where the Evo is, and then we'll pull the Evo back in. And then, yeah, but for now, what we're gonna do is just get all the old metal out of here, get all the boxes out of here, move everything that we need to move around to get it out. And yeah, so this is probably gonna be a lot of a time-lapse video. I think we'll interject here and there when we need to, but yeah, all right. Yeah, so we're making pretty good headway here. We gotta obviously get some stuff out from underneath the car and everything. But I need to put some things back together on the Evo. I was doing a little bit of diagnostics on the wastegate solenoid. It's a wiring problem. I'm gonna deal with that later. So I gotta put this together. I gotta put the wheel on and get ready to put this car on the ground. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we'll work on getting the WRX wheels back on and that on the dollies, because we gotta move that car first before we can move this car. Yeah, brain's moving a little bit slower today for some reason. All right, let's put the wheel on. Yeah, let's put the wheel on and do all that stuff. Yeah, so we got the WRX all pushed over. It's gonna end up coming over here, but we're gonna fire this up hopefully and drive it out. I've got pump gas in it right now. I just put some fresh stuff in it. Hopefully it starts pretty good. I know it was having a hard time starting with the E85 in colder temperatures, but it might just take a little bit for the actual flex fuel sensor to see the ethanol change, and hopefully it fires right up. Otherwise, that's gonna be probably where we'll leave it right now until I can get it running, because we're not gonna be able to push it outside, which is where it needs to go. But Jason's throwing my hobbyist plate on right now, and then hopefully fire it up and drive it out. I'm gonna try it. Yep. You can close the trunk. bit, kind of clear some stuff out. Like I said, it did take a while to start, but I'm not that surprised about that. But hopefully in a week or so I can actually keep driving this car. We still need to fix some things with it, but that's not really, I need a hoist. So either Tony's car needs to get done or I'm gonna do it at work. I'd rather do it here because if there's a problem at work, it has to get done because I need that for customer cars. But we're gonna get this car in a position, and I think we're gonna test the actual electric power steering on it too while the wheels are on the ground so we can actually see what it's like. But I'm excited. Evo's out and shop looks bigger already. Yeah, look at, we got all this room now. I mean, still gotta get Tony's car out of here, but Mike's Evo I do want to bring over sooner than later too to work on that because I got the harness all fixed on it. I'm not gonna do that till my Evo's running. Well, not running, but till it's time to drive it because I don't want too many things. If there's an issue, I can pull the Evo in, like if we have a bad storm. So I think I'm just gonna leave that for now. But I think this is a good spot to leave this video. So if you guys like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe. I know it wasn't a super jam-packed one today, but stuff that's got to get done anyway. So we'll see you next time.